welcome back to my YouTube channel. So real quickly, I wanted to come on here and do a real quick pop shelf haul with y'all. So I literally just got home from work and I wanted to share everything that I picked up from Pop Shelf. I'm gonna be decorating everything back here in my little entertainment area. I'm gonna be throwing some decorations up there. I hope my dad doesn't mind because it's gonna be a little bit girly in here for spring, even though spring's already here, but I'm tardy to the party with getting it decorated in here and everything. But anyway, let's go ahead and I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. Y'all, the Pop Shelf bags are just so stinking cute. I love that. First thing I got is gonna be this right here. How cute is that? It's a little bunny pillow. It's got the little bunny ears on there. I know Easter is gone. It's like April 11th, but look at Nosy Rosie down there. I don't know if y'all can see her, but I know Easter is gone, but I thought this was just so stinking cute. I'm gonna put it on my furniture, like on my little sectional back there, and I'm gonna find something fun and decorative to do with it. So cute. So this is the next one that I got. How pretty. It's so green and it's got the little, I don't know what you would call that in it. I really love this. It's got some nice pops of color, and that's what I want to go for this spring and summer, pops of color. So I've got all this right here. It's just this, I don't know, it's so cute, and it's just like a regular color on the black on the back. I think Pop Shelf has, so I got that Easter bunny pillow for like $6, and then I got this pillow right here for $12. But yeah, I really love this. I'm gonna find a way to kind of decorate it and make it look real springy, summerish in this house, okay? The next pillow that I got is this little guy right here. How pretty. It was also $12. It's got the little, what do you call that? I don't know, beaded, not embroidered, tufted. It's got the little tufted little things in there, and it's like this really pretty Easter pink color. I'm gonna pair it with the pillow that I got, and it's got these little, I don't know what you call them, little dots on the corners of the pillow. I'm gonna be pairing this. I'm gonna be dressing up my sectional with this pillow as well. Got some stuff to like hang on the wall and everything. So this one says every day is a new beginning, and I'll be putting this probably over the top or above my TV because I like that. That's very inspirational. Every day we're growing and getting better, and every day really is a new beginning. So we've got this one. How pretty. And it's got that little colorful spring summer thing going on. I love that. Thing I got is this thing. I want to keep my remotes and like maybe some extra candles or newer candles in this. And I'm planning on getting a coffee table for this space. I just don't know when I'm gonna get a coffee table for this space, but I like this one because it had that cute little flower print in the inside of it, and then you can just lay it on a table and it can hold like remotes, candles, whatever it is that you need this thing to hold, it can hold it. And I think it was only $5, and I just thought that was such a good deal. It's just so pretty. It just says live simply, and that's very true. Everyone should always live simply. Don't live a hard life, girl. Live a real simple life. You'll be happier. So yeah, it just says live simply. It was, I think, $3 at Five Below. I thought this was so pretty and perfect for spring and for summer. I think I love this. Just sit it right there on my entertainment space. So all the stuff that I decorate with, I promise I will include it in the video on how I decorated with it or where I placed it. Next thing's this right here. It's just a little, I guess, fake decorative plant. It's pink. It's got like, I don't know, I'm not a plant person, okay? But it was $5. It's got that cute little pot thing on it. I love that. The last thing, y'all, I got from Pop Shelf is another plant. This one was $5, and it's got the little rocks in there. That's so cute, and I liked this. It's so pretty. I'm probably gonna end up putting it on my little entertainment thing or entertainment space up there one day, maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna probably end up putting this, and I like that it's got that little, I don't know what you would call that, an upside down rainbow on it. That is so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna end up putting all of this stuff I purchased today in this space, and I got my receipt. I got my receipt here in the bag. I ended up spending like $57.24. There were one or two things that I picked up that were actually on sale. That's why I bought them. But guys, this is everything that I got from Pop Shelf. First, I got that little flower right here, and then for the little leaf thing, I just put the candle in there, the candle lighter, and the remote that goes to the fire stick is also in there. And then I put the Live Tara. I put the Live Simply butterfly there, and then right down here, this little wicker basket is something that I got from a family member. I just put my frosted glass candles that are burned out in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. That's my devotional book that I pick up from time to time. And then that's the other plant that I got from Pop Shelf. Y'all, this is not a mess in the chair. I literally am trying to get stains out. It's drying. By the time I get back home from work, these stains should be dry, but I got this cute little pillow, like I said, with the little bunny ears on it. How pretty. I put that little pillow there with the tufted little design in it and the little beads. And then I put the little green pillow with the little white flowers. At least it looks like flowers in there. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with these blinds, because these blinds don't really go with the theme I have going on in here. So I'll probably change those out eventually. Okay, y'all, and I put that little picture right up there. I need to work on trying to center it, but for right now, it gets the job done. I may like slide the little shelving, the desk down a little bit so that it's centered with the picture. I'm probably gonna do that. But y'all, this is it. This is my little video where I show y'all how I just clean this area and hang up my little decorations. Still a little bit early right now. I have a little time before I'm due to work, so I just want to go ahead and get that out of the way. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so sorry I look all like a mess because I don't have on any makeup, and I feel really weird being on YouTube without makeup on. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.